Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you how to install MultiMC on your Mac. MultiMC is a fantastic alternative launcher for Minecraft, giving you access to various mods and different versions of the game. Let's get started. First, we need to download MultiMC. Open your web browser and go to the official MultiMC website at multimc.org. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any malicious downloads. Once you're on the website, scroll down a bit to see different download options. Select the one for macOS, then click the download button and save the file to your desired location. After the download is complete, locate the file and double-click it to extract its contents. You will get the MultiMC app after extraction. Drag and drop the file into your Applications folder. Before running MultiMC, you need to ensure Java is installed on your system. Open your browser and search for Java for macOS. Click on the link to the official Java download page. I'll also leave the website link in the description below. On the Java download page, click on All Java Downloads. Scroll down to find the macOS section. You'll see two options: macOS x64 for systems 10.7.3 and above, and macOS ARM64 for systems 12 and above. Choose the one that matches your macOS version. To verify your macOS version, click on the Apple logo at the top of your screen and select About this Mac. Check the version number in the Overview tab. Once you've confirmed your version, return to the Java download page and download the appropriate version. After downloading, locate the Java installer file and double-click it to run it. Follow the installation instructions and enter your security password if prompted. Once the installation is complete, close the pop-up. Now we can open MultiMC from the Applications folder. Since it's an app downloaded from the internet, macOS might block it initially. If you see a warning message saying, MultiMC cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified, click Cancel. To bypass this, go to your System Preferences, click on Security and Privacy, and then go to the General tab. At the bottom, you'll see a message about MultiMC. Click Open Anyway. Another confirmation dialog will appear. Click Open. MultiMC should now launch without any issues. Next, select your preferred language and click Next. Select the Java version you want to use. In my case, I have 3 versions of Java installed on my machine. I'm going to choose the latest one and click Finish. To create a new game instance, click Add Instance. Name your instance and choose the Minecraft version you want to use, such as 1.21. You can also select a mod loader like Forge, Fabric, or Light Loader. If you have custom installations or want to import mod packs, select the Import option. This lets you use files or URLs for importing, and you can also download mod packs from sources like CurseForge and Modrinth. After setting up your instance, you can rename it, change its icon, and manage its content. You can install mods, resource packs, and shader packs, and adjust settings for your worlds and servers. When you're ready to play, click Launch either online or offline. Remember, you need a legitimate Microsoft or Mojang account to play Minecraft. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The download link for MultiMC is in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content coming soon. Thanks for watching.